Today we are visiting a factory that makes all kinds of packing machines. As you can see behind me, there are various products, the finished samples from snacks, food, cosmetic products, daily necessity, and medical products. We also have an order ready here. So today is a inspection day and a factory tour. All right, let's see what we got here. 片，吃的 snacks。
这个是针头吗？
哎，这是打那个点。
对，这个是针头。
把它压扁。
敷料贴里面有那些什么粉在里面，然后你看点点。
Okay, let's head into the workshop to see our machines. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you have anything you're looking for, any machines you wanted to buy in China, you can still contact us. And remember to follow us to follow us on YouTube and Facebook. See you next time. Bye bye.